You know that feeling when a drawer gets stuck or a drawer won't open and you just have to force it? That's what your golf cart pedal is doing. It's got an attitude problem. Before you buy the new assembly, check these 3 quick fixes first. First, debris strand. Look down. There's always a straight tip, a dump of dirt, or a giant pine. Need a wedge right in that hinge. It happens every single run. Grab a little brush and clean out the pivot point under the mat. Just blast the whole thing with air. It's the easiest fix and honestly, the most common issue. Next, check the throttle cable, especially on glass carts. These cables get frayed, rusty, and they kink over time. If the pedal is stiff, the problem is usually friction way down the line. You can try a shot of penetrating lubricant, but if it's badly kinked, it just needs to be swapped out. I'm sorry, no grease can save a truly damaged cable. Finally, the simple thing, dried pivot points. The factory grease doesn't last forever. That little hinge where your foot connects, it dries out and seizes up. Hit the pivot with a shot of silicone spray or white lithium grease. Work the pedal a few times. That smooth, like new action will come right back. So, the next time your foot is getting a workout, clean the debris, drive the cable, lube the pivot, do those 3 things, get a smooth pedal back. Let me know in the comments which one finally unstuck your ride.